So today I have another video for you guys. I decided to do another Dollar Tree video because a lot of things wasn't explained in the last video. A lot of you guys were just like, what did you do? What did you add? What is going on? So I feel kind of bad. So a lot of you guys were like, can you redo the video and explain a lot more what I'm doing? So I decided to do something completely different. I did baking soda in my last one. It was not hard to find the baking soda and cornstarch, so I had to go with flour at this dollar store. I don't know what was going on with them, but I went to like 2 of them and they are running out of stuff. So today I'm going to be using flour, you guys. So as you guys can see in the beginning of the video, this is all the nail tips that they had there. So I may do what I had to do. Normally I use the Sassy and Chic nail tips from there. They're $1 and it brings like 100 nail tips in like a little pack, but neither one of these Dollar Trees had them, so I had to go with this, which these aren't nail tips. These are actually press-on nails, but you know, at the time, and you gotta make do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? So that's just decided what I decided to put. So if you can find the Sassy and Chic nail tips, definitely get those because they're bomb, you guys. I definitely recommend them 100% because those nail tips are literally bomb. Also, a lot of you guys wanted me to do like a dupe for nail foils and like a dupe for marbling and things like that, so I tried to do what I can. Like I said, these dollar stores were kind of like running out of stuff. She told me that she was going to get a new shipment in, I think it was a couple of days from now, like Thursday or something like that. So I don't know for sure, but that's what she was saying. So I just decided to just make what it do. They didn't have like markers, like a lot of markers and stuff. They didn't have like things like that, but they did have paint. So I just decided to go to the paint section and see if I could do that, but it didn't come out the way that I thought that it would come out. It still came out cute, but it didn't come out cute. Like I wanted it to come out cute. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just cute. It's not like, dang, she did her nails and that is bomb. You know what I mean? Like it's not like that. So these nail tips, I am actually just shaving off the blue just so that way you can see it. You can't see it underneath. But with flour, it's white, so you really can't see it underneath. It does dry a weird color, this flour. I've never had flour dry this color before, but it did dry a different color. I don't know if maybe it's because it's the Dollar Tree brand or what, but it did dry a weird color. So right here, I'm just doing that, and I'm just going to be using the Kiss nail glue that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Also, nail files they have at the Dollar Tree. I have so many nail files, so I decided not to purchase another one again because I've purchased so many from the Dollar Tree. But they do work. So you get nail files, buffers, nail cutters, things like that at the Dollar Tree. So, and I'm gonna stop saying the Dollar Tree because I feel like I say it so much in videos. You guys help me. But yeah, so that's just all I'm doing. I wanted them to be a longer nail tip, as long as the nail tips that I normally buy, so I decided to just double tip them, which you guys know that I normally do that. You don't need these scissors. Also, you can use whatever pair of scissors you have in your counter drawer and just use that from your kitchen or from your eyebrows, whatever you want to use to cut the nail tips. That's what you can use to cut the nail tips. I don't care. They all work the same to me, so you can use whatever you like, you guys. I'm just using these that I have in my nail studio, so I'm just trying to find cheaper alternatives for you guys. So a lot of you guys were saying, how long do they last? They normally last 2 to 3 weeks for me. You do have to prep your nails correctly in order for them to last as long as they do. So that's just another thing. If they aren't lasting, then that's what it is. A lot of you guys were saying that it was burning your fingers. I don't know because it didn't burn me. There's a lot of people on here that have done it and it's never burned them, so it's kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe try the cornstarch one or the flour one. That one doesn't burn me either, so I just don't know what to say to that. Different people are different. Acrylics, I know, sometimes burn also. When you have a client, it burns them too. It's like a heat strike. And then I know gel kind of burns also, so I just don't know if it's just the person or what, but it didn't happen to me. So, and it didn't happen to most of the people on here that have tried it, so that's kind of weird. I don't know what may have gone wrong there. If you did try it, I know I have gotten like 1 or 2 people that have mentioned it to me. Maybe they're doing something wrong. I don't know. So I don't know about that end, but I know it hasn't burned me, or it hasn't burned a lot of people that have tried it. I know a few people have tried it. If not, then definitely go with the cornstarch or the flour route. I don't recommend filling these in, you guys. So you guys have asked me, can I fill them in? No, I do not recommend that. That's just my preference. This is just what I do, like I said, just to save a little bit of money. And no, I do not recommend you filling these nails in. Definitely take them off and reapply them if that's what you want to do. So don't recommend filling them in. Also, if you see that they are lifting, definitely take them off, because if they are lifting, they will tend to cause a fungus or anything. That is very true. Just like with regular acrylic nails, if they are lifting, you will get a greenie, which is a fungus kind of thing that, you know, grows green underneath your nail. It happens with acrylics also. A lot of these things happen with acrylics, you guys. So it's the same thing almost, just cheaper and more natural alternative, I'm guessing, because it's just really flour and cornstarch and baking soda and things like that. So it's not as like acrylic that's like mixed with this, mixed with that, and stuff like that. So I just try to find a way, if you can eat it, I'm pretty sure you can wear it. So that's just kind of what I went with there. So right here I'm just reshaping it because it looked a little wonky, and I'm going to be using this glue, not nail glue brush on, because I couldn't find brush on nail glue. So I just decided to use this glue right here, and I'm just starting from the free edge. And the reason why I do that, a lot of you guys have asked me why do I do that, is because I want to build up a nice apex. I want them to be thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top, and have a nice apex so they can last me a little bit longer. So a lot of you guys have asked me about that also, and that's just why I do that. So yeah, a lot of this is very simple. It is a dip method. It does last as long as acrylics, which is kind of awesome. Like I said, I don't recommend filling them in. This is just like a quick, cheap nail thing that if you can't get to your nail salon or whatever, yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is just what I do. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm so sorry about my last video. I've gotten so many awesome comments about that video, but a lot of you guys were just frustrated with the way that I did it. I didn't reply back to like some of the questions and things like that, because I decided to just do this video so that way I can answer a lot of those questions for you. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on here, say hello, hi, how are you doing, tell you what I'm doing. And yeah, so when it comes to the design, I'm going to be telling you what I did. So I ended up getting a balloon to use as nail foils, which it kind of works like, not nail foils, but like the other thing that you put on your hands. What is it called? Not mylar. It's kind of like the, it's so weird to say, but you can like shred it up. It's kind of like aluminum. I don't know, it's weird. If you know the name of it, please link it in the description box, in the comment box, please, and let me know what the name of that is. But I wanted the balloon to play kind of like a nail foil, and it kind of did, but I didn't like how the marble came out too much, just because I used a painting palette and I didn't have pink, and it was just a weird texture. It just wasn't like marbly. I don't know, but I tried my best to make it the way that I thought that it would look nice, just because you guys wanted to see that, and you guys wanted to see me do a hack for nail foils, and that's just what I did. So when I did apply the nail foil hack, I just put a top coat, and that was about it. That's all that I did. And yeah, so everything else is very self-explanatory. If you have any questions, I hope that I answered a little bit of things on here, how long they last, things like that. I hope I answered a few things. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out the description box down below for any giveaways that I have on this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. I have so many giveaways going on for you guys, so check the description box down below so you can enter to win. And stay safe, stay blessed, and may God continue to watch over you and your family. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.